Human-centric AI design principles. So there's a few things you need to know about. Something called HITL, human in the loop. So humans approve before any action is taken, especially if it's high risk and if it's an irreversible decision that's going to might cause some kind of impact to the organization. You want to have somebody in the loop that approves it, especially if you have agents that are doing certain commands. If it's arbitrary things that you already have a systems doing in the back end that are already automated, now you're having an AI do it. Well, that's different. If it has a high level impact to your organization, you want to have a human in the loop. So that process has to be approved by a person, whether it's development of code, deployment of code, monitoring, any part of this process, you might want to have a human in the loop. Human oversight. So this person is monitoring what is going on with the autonomous actions of your AI, and that a person can override what is going on with the AI so that your business doesn't get derailed by some mistake or misconfiguration of the AI. Human validation. So periodic human reviews of AI accuracy. This is no different than the quality assurance that you do on the rest of your network or on a secure database. You still want to have those things in place for your AI model that you have in your organization. Now, if you want more information on this and you want to go much deeper on human in the loop and you're actually thinking about implementing this stuff into your organization, then you can actually look up something called the NIST AI Risk Management Framework, which breaks down in greater detail the things that are happening in Objective 1.3, where it's talking about mapping the context, mapping where you're looking at the context to recognize the risk relation to the context. Or, oh my Lord, context is recognized and risk related to context. It's talking about, so NIST risk management framework for AI is talking about context and making sure that the risk related to the context are identified when you're using the AI within your organization, making sure that you're identifying the risks. You've identified the risks as assessed and analyzed or tracked. Oh my Lord, how do you word this? So the NIST, oh fuck, this is crazy. So the NIST risk management framework goes way deeper into this stuff. It talks about how AI governance can be done in your organization. That's introducing a culture of risk management for AI, including the mapping of the context of the AI aligning it with your organization, the measurements that the model is going to do, managing the risks and prioritizing those. Fuck, this one's hard, man. Maybe I just don't read all this stuff. So one thing that goes way deeper into Objective 1.3 as far as business alignment and evaluation, human in the loop, and all that stuff is the NIST risk management framework for AI. So the NIST released something that breaks down the governance you should have for AI models and what's its impact to not only your organization, but you're thinking about what's the impact to your community with AI potentially. And that sums up what you need to know for Objective 1.3.